ഇതാ സെക്കൻഡറാബാദ് ഹൈദരാബാദ് സേവികാ സംഘത്തിലെ യുവതികൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ മുൻപിൽ ദൈവവും സ്ത്രീകളും പ്രകൃതിയും നെയ്തൊരുക്കിയ ഒരു കാവ്യ നൃത്തശില്പം അവതരിപ്പിക്കുന്നു. കാണുക, ആസ്വദിക്കുക, വിലയിരുത്തുക. ഇസ്രായേലിനെ നയിച്ച മോശയെ ഒരു നായകനാക്കി തീർത്ത് 5 സാധാരണമായ സ്ത്രീകളുടെ അസാധാരണമായ ധൈര്യവും സമയോചിതമായ ഇടപെടലും കാരണമാണ്. ഈ ദൃശ്യ സാഹചര്യം സന്ദർശിക്കാനായി നമുക്ക് നൈൽ നദിയുടെ തീരത്തേക്ക് പോകാം. വിശാലമായ നൈൽ നദിയുടെ തീരത്തിൽ നിന്ന് കാറ്റിൽ ആടുന്ന ഞാങ്ങണകൾ. അവരുടെ ജീവിതം വ്യവസ്ഥ ഇല്ലാത്തതാണെന്ന് തോന്നിപ്പോകും. എന്നാൽ ദൗർബല്യങ്ങളെപ്പോലും കരുത്താക്കി മാറ്റുന്നവന്റെ മുൻപിൽ പവിത്രമായ ഒരു നിയോഗം അതിനും ഉണ്ട്. In order to drive fear deep into their hearts, the Pharaoh personally instructs the 2 midwives. The hands that were used to help babies take their first breath were now decreed to throttle the necks and snuff out their lives. But how could Shipra and Puah, who revered the King of Kings, have succumbed to the cruel intentions of the mere Pharaoh? For their unshakable courage, God blesses them with families of their own, and their name too features along with other great people in the scriptures, while the Pharaoh remains unknown. Oh, my handsome baby boy, how you have filled our lives with joy. You are God's gift to us to enjoy. But alas, the decree is here to destroy. Oh, the fear of losing you does me annoy. What shall I do? What shall I do?
Ma, isn't he so beautiful? I love him, Ma. But why are you so anguished?
You know it, Miriam. Your baby brother has grown. We have kept him from the world unknown. Soon he will be to the soldiers shown. My dear baby, flesh of my flesh and bone of my bone.
Ma, weep not. Let's pray and the Lord will make a way.
Surely, my darling, let us at his feet bow down. Miriam, I've got an idea to protect our baby.
What is it, Ma?
Miriam, rush and get some reeds.
Reeds?
We are just ordinary reeds, yet sure feel happy, bathed by the royal Nile. Now who is this bending us apart? Ah, please, Go gently. It hurts.
Oh, yes, I know her. Miriam, this young vivacious daughter of Jochebed and Amram. Look at her anxious eyes, overpowering the beautiful countenance of her face. An age to play and romp around, joyously and without cares. An age to dance and sing with her compatriots.
What then does this young one worry about? Is it me? Oh no, worry not, Miriam. I cause no harm. Is it the timeless gliding Nile? No, no, my child. The Nile is clear and patient.
Oh, whom should I pour out my woes to?
Woes? And you, Miriam?
Oh, my sweet little brother, I love him so much. But how can I help my beloved mother?
Help your mother? Why? What's the matter, Miriam?
Oh, she looks so worried. Do I see her picking up reeds?
Do you need me too, my dear? If only I could be of some comfort to you.
What is it, Ma, that you're going to do?
Stay with me, Miriam, and watch. Go, my baby, life of my life. The good Lord who made you will keep you from all strife. This chest woven not by me, but by the grace of His tender love, may it rest upon you always and everywhere.
Ma, what a lovely basket out of ordinary reeds you weaved.
Yes, my dear, our Abba Father does the same with us each day. Make haste, my dear, take the little one and set the basket afloat in the Nile.
In the Nile? Ma!
Panic not, my girl, set the chest afloat and watch from the bulrushes.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this.
Who is this moving along the calmness of the Nile?
Yes, of course, the stately, fine, and elegant lady of the kingdom. Hail to you, tender-hearted daughter of Pharaoh.
Sweet are your words and soft your tone. Smile so amazing and comforting. Serene your nature, salient your care to one and all.
Lo, behold, she has spotted the cradle, in which lay the baby in a tiny bundle. The radiant babe gurgles with mirth, evoking in her tenderness that's worth all the love of a mighty heart. How can she now let this child depart? Benevolent her eyes, would she bother? But only for a moment does she shudder, to think the babe was a Hebrew, no other. The Pharaoh's decree, yes, she remembered her father. Yet maternal instinct surging strong, she yearned to be the child's mother. With her concern for the baby, we see she secures his own mother as a nurse until he was weaned. She had not looked upon Moses as a mere plaything, but had risked her own life for this delightful foundling. With her compassion and valor, this righteous woman stands to the fortunes and fate of the Israelite nation. God's providence unexplainable, that He chose the daughter of the enemy to save the leader of His people from the perilous waves of the Nile and the tyrannical hands of the men of Pharaoh.
When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burdened be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on my
ജോക്കബേദ് ഞാങ്ങണയുടെ പെട്ടകം നെയ്ത പോലെ ദൈവം നമ്മെയും ഉപയോഗിച്ച് തൻ്റെ ഉദ്ദേശം നിവർത്തിക്കുന്നു. ഞാങ്ങണെ പിഴുതെടുക്കുന്നത് പോലെ നാമും ചിലപ്പോഴെങ്കിലും പിഴുതെടുക്കപ്പെടാം. അതിൻ്റെ വേദന സഹിക്കേണ്ടി വന്നേക്കാം. ഇതൊക്കെ എന്തിനാണെന്ന് പോലും അറിയാതെ വന്നേക്കാം. എന്നാൽ നാം നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതങ്ങളെ ദൈവം എന്ന നെയ്ത്തുകാരൻ്റെ കയ്യിൽ ഏൽപ്പിക്കുമ്പോൾ അവിടുന്ന് നമ്മെ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് അതിശ്രേഷ്ഠമായ തറി ഉണ്ടാക്കും.